Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Adobe Experience Cloud Billing step by step clearly. To withdraw from Adobe Experience Cloud Billing, start by navigating to the Adobe Experience Cloud website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the admin panel on the main dashboard. In the admin panel, find the billing section. Click on Billing. This will redirect you to your billing settings. Look for the option labeled Manage Plans. Select Manage Plans to view your current subscriptions. Here, you will see all your active Adobe Experience Cloud plans. Identify the plan you wish to withdraw from. Click on the plan for additional details. Review the cancellation policy carefully to understand any implications. If you decide to proceed, look for the Cancel Subscription option. Click on Cancel Subscription. You may be prompted to confirm your decision. Confirm that you want to cancel the subscription. Once confirmed, your billing will be updated accordingly. Check for a confirmation email regarding the cancellation. Keep this email for your records. To ensure a smooth transition, check if there are any pending payments. If you have questions, visit the Adobe support page for additional assistance. Follow these steps to successfully withdraw from Adobe Experience Cloud Billing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.